Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Hope you are doing well. So in the last video we started about learning about JMeter and we did the installation. So in today's video we're going to learn about the basic components that are present in the JMeter so that we can get to know what each component is, what is the UI about. So in today's video we are going to learn a bit of brief about the GUI of the JMeter, so that like in future videos when we are learning and when I say add an assertion or add a thread group, you should not be confused like where it is or where to add it. So that's the goal for today. So let's get started.
So you all know, like in the last video, we have installed the JMeter. So and we had stopped till this point. So you know, this is the GUI that is going to be coming once you install the JMeter application. So this is divided into multiple sections. This is the menu bar, very simple. This is the tools bar. This is the test planner, and this is the editor. So I'll be going each like one by one so that you get a brief through like what is there and in each part, and if you want to find something where it is going to be found. So first we'll go with files. Files is very similar to all the other applications like MS Docs or all the Office or something like that. You can create a new application like new meter application, or you can go with templates. Templates are standard or pre-built a set of application testing that the JMeter itself provides. So these include a SOAP website testing, building a web test plan. So these are some JDBC recording. So these are just a simple pre-built templates, so pre-built functions that you can just click and start running it and do some minor configurations so that you can use it. You can build this by your own as well, but they do provide their templates. Other than that, you have open. So if you have if you have open any other JMeter application that you have already used, or if a friend of yours has sent you a JMeter, then you can open it from here. It is very similar to it is same as other application. So open and open recent. Merge is like when you have more than 2 or 3 applications. If you want to merge them, then you use a JMeter. Then you use the merge function. Save. Yeah, this is very simple. Save test plan as save selection as. So these are like selection and test plan, test fragment are different types where you can save it. The similar way you can save a doc as a PDF or in a doc itself or some other format. So something like that. Very similar. The same things are present even here. Open, copy code. Search is for finding something, like finding and replacing words that are there in the application. If you are using VS Code, you might be doing that. Start with no pause. Start like running the test application. Start no pause is for with the continue, like do if you have multiple iterations like 5-6 times, do it continuously without any pause. Remote start, like if you want to have like a remote server or remote somewhere like that, is then you use a remote. Now then we have shutdown. Shutdown is for completely stopping it at the like slowly stopping it, whereas stop is for abruptly stopping it. So these are two things. Then looks and feels. So if you want to change the look, like if you want to be it's like system Dracula, those are the options. So that is oh yeah, sorry. And I have told you how to run this. It will rerun. It's just restarting. So if you want to change your looks, then you can use that. Then log viewer. So like once you're running your test plans, test fragments, you will see the logs. So you can see the logs here. If you turn on the log viewer, you can see the logs and log levels. So now it is at info, but when you are doing testing, you can check if for logs on fatal error 1, different types of it. Then language, yeah, very similar to all this. Collapse all, like all the menus will be moved and editor will be shown. Expand all. If everything is collapsed, then it will open it up. Zoom in and zoom out. Then we have tools. So create heap dump. So it will create a heap dump and save it in the log file. So particular place. Create thread dump. So heap dump is like storing all the heap data or the type of data, heap data in a particular place. Thread data in a similarly a create thread dump will store all the thread data in a particular place. Function helper dialog. So these are used for generating your own functions and writing your own functions. We are going to learn it in the coming playlist. Expose transaction for a report. So if you want to get a report of all the tests, then you use this. Generate HTML report. These are different types of report. And then help. Like if at any point of time, if you feel if you're stuck, then you can use the help. Then this is for just creating a new project. Templates. Open. So whatever it is there here, a small and a simplified version is present over here. So it is save, cut, copy, paste, zoom, expand, collapse, toggle, start, stop. I have already told you about stop and shutdown. Then clean, like this is for if you have already opened, if you have already have some logs, but you want to remove those logs, then you have clean and clean all. It will remove all the logs that is present now. Like search, reset history, function helper dialog, and help. So helper is something that is like really useful, because at any point of time if you feel if you're stuck, then they have a very good user manual which you can check it out, and it is quite useful as well, like as it is very clear. Now once you start doing it, the first thing that you come across is the test plan. So in this is the test area. So here all the test plans that you have will be shown. Let me import a test plan if it is present. So I do have a few test plans over here. So if I import it, yeah, you can see here. So these are some test plans that I have created in the past. So you can see it. This is the threading area, and this is the editor section. In editor section, you just do the configurations. So to run what and where, how, something like all those things. So this is where you select the features, and this is where you edit it. That's all for this video. In the next video, we are going to learn about creating a first project. What is thread group? Why is it important? And all. Do catch up with all my videos if you want to learn JMeter quickly. And thank you for watching it till end. See you in the next video, guys.